You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good love and something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now.
Hi everyone, welcome back and welcome to today's Clean With Me video. I will be tackling on our fridge and organizing everything, as well as cleaning our bathroom because it had been definitely long overdue. And today's video is sponsored by Luxier, and I am happy to be working with this brand again, and they have sent me these fresh containers and these are so nice. And check them out, how they have this little basket that comes in so handy for all your products, so you can just put everything in there and then just wash it so it's nice and ready. Like I am just putting all these blueberries in here, and when my kids are ready to eat them, I will just pop out this little basket, wash it and put it right back in, and they can just straight eat from this container, and it just makes everything so much easier to store and use these containers. So I will leave the link in the description box so you can check them out, and let's keep on tackling the fridge.
Say that you don't need me. You say let's take things slowly. I hope you realize you're playing with fire.
And this time I didn't really feel like taking everything out from the fridge, so I kind of just worked around a little bit. I did take out some of the main things, and the rest of the stuff I just lifted and cleaned. And the reason for that is because I just filled our fridge with some grocery stuff, so it was not very convenient to be taking everything out. I usually like to do like a nice deep cleaning whenever the fridge is empty and like right before we do our groceries. So I would just do this quick clean, and it still makes the fridge nice and clean even when you do it like that.
Saying words ain't easy. I know you can't talk to me, but I hope you realize you're playing with fire. You were my one and only until you left me lonely. I guess you stopped to care. You have done it now, left me on the ground. This is it, I won't come back. If we don't stop, if we don't go, I'll be left alone every night when you go. I'm sitting by myself, going crazy like all the time. If we don't stop, if I don't go, I'll be left alone every night
then now off to our master bathroom. I honestly, guys, have not cleaned it for like 2 weeks. I typically will clean it every week, not deep clean it, but I would just try to maintain it. But these past 2 weeks, I just really didn't find the time to tackle on the bathroom. So I definitely wanted to give it a good clean because we had all this stuff piling up and it was just becoming a disaster. And to be honest, there's nothing better than having a clean bathroom. It does take a lot of work. I feel like this is why sometimes I am just dragging to get it nice and clean, but the feeling of a clean bathroom is always so nice. So I'm just going to tackle on that so it can be nice and clean for us for the rest of the week.
I'm not gonna find you. Yeah, you keep thinking it's right to keep a distance. It's like nothing I do is enough. I've been holding my breath, but it's hard when I am running back to holding my breath, but it's hard when I am running. Oh, back to
So for our countertops and the sink, I actually like to use this Vim cream, and it has some bleach in it and it just works perfect for our countertops. Our countertops are quartz, so we are able to use things like this, and it really just cleans everything nicely and removes any of the stains that we get, because typically we would get some stains since the countertops are pretty white. But this stuff just takes everything off and it just makes everything looks nice and clean. So I like to use that on the countertops, the sinks, as well as the bathtub and shower. I will also even use this on the toilet if we get a little stain, especially on the seat part, and it will remove it right away. So if you need anything like this, then I highly recommend the Vim cream with the bleach in it.
Places all at once. Wish that what we said would come undone. Feels like our minds have been turned off. Haven't seen each other for so long. I know this isn't a song. Closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one. Through this, let's just keep on dancing as one. You and me are moving. Make sure we get through this.
So I also needed to clean the shower, and mostly just like the bottom part. And I just wanted to show you guys quickly these like stains that we get, and I know where they are coming from. These are from like this set that I got as a gift. It's like a body scrub and like a shower gel, and this is usually what kind of happens whenever I use products like this. So it was a gift. Normally I actually don't use products like that for myself. I try to stick with things that are natural, but these products definitely just kind of like stain our shower, so that's just another thing why I don't like using it. But I just used this Vim cream and it worked pretty good on removing all the stain.
Supposed to do when the flames going high with my bad patience. I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about.
So the last thing I wanted to get done for today's cleaning was to wash our sofa cushions from the patio set. They did have couple stains, so I just sprayed them before I washed them, so just left them for about like 10 minutes so the product can set. But normally they wash very good and we can use them because the weather is hopefully starting to look better on this weekend. But to be honest, the weather has been so depressing lately. We had zero spring, like everyone is just feeling really sad about the weather, and hopefully it can really start picking up because we are definitely already in the end of May and we have not seen much sunshine and warmth, and it's just not very fun to be starting a summer soon. So hopefully that changes for us. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you lots of cleaning motivation, and I will see you in my next one.
You know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about. Yeah, you know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about. It's not about.